Wow, this flame is intense.
He didn't use any lighter fluid.
How did you do that, Dad?
Yes, we did.
You're just that good.
Right now.
What do you got to say about my fire?
It's very beautiful.
What do you got to say about my fire?
It's alright.
What do you got to say about my fire?
It's beautiful.
What do you got to say about my fire?
It's hot.
Clint.
Do you have anything to say about my fire?
Javi, tell him it's better than yours. 'Cause it is.
It's dangerous.
Who wanted to use bugs?
Hey, mate, it's dangerous.
We could roast marshmallows from here.
Exactly.
That's the last fire in the pit here in Maine.
For us.
Act on.
In Acton,
I should have bought a hat.
Maine,
We should all get
at
hats.
Camp Bella Soul.
We should all get complimentary hats.
Is the owner's name Bella?
No,
Oh.
Is her name Cam? By any chance?
What does that mean, Bella Soul?
beautiful soul.
In Italian?
In Spanish.
Also, Bella means beautiful.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, because I know
Technically it's
Bella.
pronounced
I
Beja.
know a Bella, and she's not that beautiful.
Technically it's pronounced Beja.
Beja.
Beijing?
That's my cat's name.
Kira,
My cat's name is Bella.
what do you think about my fire? Huh?
What do you think of his fire?
Those
huh?
little flame things.
Kira,
Those are pieces
what do you
of
think of the
wood.
big fire?
Those are pieces of wood that chipped off.
What's up with all this attention?
What do you think about my fire?
Oh, what?
Oh, duh. What do you think about my fire?
It's beautiful.
I already said that.
I already said that.
And I was emotionally crying, actually. I was witnessing it intensely.
Want me to put some extra sticks on the side?
Relax. Enjoy the fire.
I said it.
Relax.
Enjoy the last fire
Stop
we'll be
thinking.
seeing in like a year or so.
You're thinking too hard.
Exactly. You got vacation is a time where you relax your brain.
Reflect. Reflect on the good times at Camp Bella Soul.
The times I wasn't told to stop thinking.
Yes. Stop thinking.
Daddy, today Kira counted to 50.
Nice.
And today Kingin got burned.
And today, Rico.
Today
on
Michael
your thing,
Vertan
it's on
for
your
the first
thing, it's
time
on
in
your
his life.
thing.
It was nice.
And today, Rico realized that he was
Ready,
beautiful.
Mike?
Yeah.
If Kobe wants, I'll finish the game for him.
Dad said I have to sit down.
I told you to go finish the game.
Ooh, you see those little red things?
Alright.
Yeah. They keep popping.
That's why every time
Yeah,
you hear
sent me
that
3
popping,
pictures.
a
Yeah.
bunch of
Which one?
those little thingies come up. Because there's those little tiny pieces of wood that popped off.
Did you hear that one?
Yeah, I'm moving away from here. I do not want to get burnt. And I hope they don't scare me. Wait, are they coming in a car or are they walking?
Probably walking because it's not even that far. I'm probably gonna accidentally throw a
Kira.
rock.
What do you think about the fire? Huh? Kira, is it hot? Oh yeah, it's hot.
I think it's spectacular. Whoa.
I don't know if there's any more. Tanita used them all. Oh, you didn't use them all? You used most of them?
No.
Yeah.
Not most.
Yeah, you did.
No.
You were doing 2 at a time.
No, she didn't.
Yeah, she did.
I've only used 4.
No, she didn't.
She used 2 at a time.
No, she didn't.
I saw her.
No, I didn't saw her.
I saw her with my own 2 eyes. 2 at a time. Okay?
I didn't see her.
Well, I did with my 2 eyes.
I was in the living room.
Yeah, you were. But I was out here watching her.
I didn't see you.
Because you weren't looking.
Because I didn't want to look. I wanted to stay.
How are we
Oh.
gonna put this out?
That's fine.
Just some water? That was beautiful.
Stop throwing stuff in there.
Sanders is gonna put it out. I don't think. Unless you dump it from the top. A whole bunch of sand.
Wow, Theo, never hold the farts in thing. That was funny.
That was my bird.
Never what?
The picture that you sent me that said never hold farts in.
Oh, you just got that?
No. I'm recording.
What are you recording?
Don't leave her there by herself.
My phone froze.
I froze.